Hello students, how are you? I am also fine. Last class I discussed transformation sentence. Today I shall discuss change of voice. Do you know what is voice? Okay. My dear students, do you know how many kinds of voice? Okay. There are two kinds of voice. Rules number one, active voice and passive voice. Okay, there are two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. Rules: sometimes we shall do the active to passive and passive to active. So I shall discuss how many change of active to passive voice. Okay. My dear students, look at the blackboard. We play football. So sense of voice, this is active voice and passive voice. Active to passive voice, first sense of object, this subject. Football, according to tense of auxiliary verb. This is present indefinite tense. So sense of we shall take present continuous tense of auxiliary verb. Football is. Okay. Football is and verb is play. Play past participle form. Played. Football is played, preposition by and subject we, a possessive form us. Okay. We play football. This is active voice and correct answer passive voice. Football is played by us. Okay. This is present indefinite tense. This is present indefinite tense. Another example. He teaches us English. This is active voice, sense of passive voice. This is object, double object, us and English. So we can ask subject form we. According to tense of auxiliary verb, we are. Principal verb is past participle form taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. We are taught. Another object English. We are taught English. Preposition by and possessive form is him. So correct answer, we are taught English by him. Active voice, he teaches us English, and correct answer passive voice, we are taught English by him. Okay. Another example. They do not play cards. It is negative. do not play cards. Okay. This is present infinite tense and negative. So we can sense object cards. C-A-R-D-S. Cards according to tense of auxiliary verb are negative form not. Principal verb play. Played preposition by. Objective form they, them. Correct answer, cards are not played by them. Okay. Active voice, this is negative form and present indefinite tense. They do not play cards. So passive voice is correct answer. Cards are not played by them. Okay. Rules number 4 is singing a song. Is singing a song. This is present continuous tense. So sense of passive voice, object, a song. According to tense of auxiliary verb is sense of ing, being. Principal verb sing, past person from sang, S-U-N-G. Preposition by, objective form he. Okay, this is present continuous tense. Is singing a song. So sense of passive voice, object a song. According to tense of auxiliary verb is sense of ing, being. Principal verb sing, past person from sang. Preposition by, subjective form he, objective form him. Okay, correct answer, a song is being sung by him. Okay. Rules number 5. Rice sells say. This is quasi-passive verb. It is not rules of active to passive, sense of different item. Rice sells it. Rice is safe. C-I-C-F-E. Rice is safe when it is sold. Okay. Character active voice. Rice sells it. It is passive verb and sense of passive voice. Correct answer. Rice is safe when it is sold. Okay. Number 6, reflexive object. He kills himself. It is reflexive object. Its sentence last word is self, himself, myself, themselves, itself. So it is reflexive object. And rules of reflexive object. At first, according to tense of auxiliary verb is verb of past participle form. He is killed by himself. Okay, he kills himself. Correct answer, he is killed by himself. Rules number 7. Post the letter. Post the letter. This is imperative sentence. So sense of at first let. Let object the letter. Let the letter. Preposition be. Principal verb post. Past person verb posted. Post the letter. This is imperative sentence. So sense of passive voice at first start of let plus object the letter plus preposition be plus full verb principal verb of posted. Okay. Same example. Honey, test, sweet, SWEET. This is passive verb. Another example, honey tastes sweet. So, honey is sweet. When it is tested. Okay. This is passive verb. Honey tastes sweet. Correct answer. Honey is sweet when it is tested. Okay, my dear students. Last class. Next class I shall discuss another item. Okay. Goodbye.